How to fix microphone not working on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix microphone not working on Android. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. So first, let's start with some basic troubleshooting. First, what you can do is clean your microphone. Remove any dust, lint, or debris from the microphone holes located at the bottom of your phone. Be sure to be gentle and avoid using compressed air. Then what you can do after that is restart your phone. Press on the power and the volume up button together and you'll find the restart button. Tap on restart as it can fix any temporary glitches. And after that, you can then disable your Bluetooth as well. So turn off your Bluetooth and turn it back on again. So turn it on and then turn it back off. So after you've done that, what you'll then need to do is remove any type of accessories that you have, such as phone case, screen protector, and anything. Now after you've done all that, but if you're still facing the issue, what you can do is check apps for permissions. You head over to settings, go to your apps. After you're here, head over to a specific app which is causing you the trouble. So let's say a voice call in Messenger is giving you trouble. So head over to Messenger. Head over to storage and cache. Tap on clear cache and that should fix the problem. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.